Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, Pups, because we're going to need to build something extra fast. Our monkey Nor pal Captain Gordy went off course. We've got to help Captain Gordy to land safely, so I'm going to need a team of pups to build a landing pad. Fast! That's why this is an ultimate construction rescue.
We're on it! You can count on us.
I'll need an expert in building to lead the team. Rubble! And his ultimate construction vehicle. Paw Patrol is on a roll! Oh no! Gordy's supposed to land here, but there isn't enough room for the landing pad.
It's too narrow. We can't go wide. We can go up. What are we going to build, Rubble? Just trust me and follow my directions. First, we need to take apart the old landing pad.
Don't lose it, reuse it.
Zuma, drill post holes over here. Ryder and Chase, let's get those poles into the holes.
I see Gordy's spaceship.
We've got to speed it up. Captain Gordy's counting on us.
Rubble, this is the greatest landing pad ever. A Rubble double spiral slide.
Here he comes!
Ryder, come in, please. Is Captain Gordy all right?
He's landed and is safe and sound.
Thanks, Ryder. You saved the day.
Rubble deserves the big thanks.
If I could just get a piece of that meteor, I'd get my super building powers back. A meteor piece! All right! My super machine-making powers are back!
Oh, it's just as brilliant as I remembered.
I'm going to use my teleport array to snatch all of Adventure Bay!
Where'd the lemonade stand go?
It's going to its new home, Haroldville! If you want lemonade, you'll have to come to my town!
Hi, Alex.
Ryder, you won't believe it! Howard Humdinger is in a super huge, gigantic robot and made the lemonade stand vanish.
Uh-oh.
Said he's taking it someplace called Haroldville.
Goodway, let me guess. Giant robot trouble?
Yes, and it's heading to Town Hall.
Don't worry, everyone. No robot is too big, no pup is too small.
May a Harold's home and not a pup in sight. What? I'll teleport those pups to the North Pole.
Rubble, time for this big bot to go down.
Time to wreck and roll.
A mighty thank you, mighty pups.
Our pleasure, Mayor Goodway. Whenever your town disappears, just yelp for help. Morning, Captain Turbot.
Look what I found dozing on the deck.
A bear cub? Hang on, I've got another call. Hello?
Ryder, you won't believe what I found sleeping in the pet parlour.
Whoa, another bear. Hold on, Katie, I'm getting another call. Hi, Alex.
Ryder, guess what we found?
A bear?
Yeah.
There's a whole family of bears sleeping in the town.
What am I going to do?
Don't worry, everybody. No bear is too big, no pup is too small. You're up, Rubble.
Time for a tiny bear transport.
The Betty Boy Bear Wagon is ready to roll.
Great job, pups. That's one bear down and 2 to go. Rocky, do you have any wheels in your recycling truck?
Don't lose it, reuse it.
That's it, pups. Nice and quiet. Okay, Everest, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
They did it! 3 quiet cheers for the Paw Patrol! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Come on, Pups. Follow Everest to the cave.
They look so cozy.
Thanks for returning the bears to their home, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. If ever you find a sleeping bear, just whisper for help.
Welcome to Adventure Bay's Big Balloon Parade.
Whoa.
What is it? What's that?
Everyone's looking up to me, finally.
I don't see a Mayor Humdinger balloon on the schedule, but being good neighbours, we can always make room. Mayor Humdinger, please take your place at the end of the line.
Uh-oh. Rocky, Matt Humdinger's balloon is flying out of control and I need you to rescue him.
Green means go.
Somebody help a Humdinger, please!
There's a hole in its foot. If you use your claw to pinch it shut, that'll slow it down enough for the air patroller to grab it.
I'm always good in a pinch. Cool. The hole is closed, Ryder.
Awesome job! It's safe to let go now, Rocky.
Oh, is the parade over yet? Oh.
It's just getting started.
Get your souvenir balloons here. Happy Big Balloon Parade Day.
This is the best parade ever!
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, Pups. The turbans are trapped somewhere in the jungle.
Oh no!
They tried to call, but their phone cut out. That's why we have to find them. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and copter to search for them from the air. Captain Turbot said beneath, so they may need to be dug out of where they are. Rubble, I need you to use your rig. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Ryder, I found something! There's a truck outside the temple!
Great, that's got to be the turbans. We're on our way.
Escucha, listen. That's the noise we heard on the phone. It's coming from inside the temple.
That noise does not sound good. Let's find the turbans, quick. I think the turbans are on the other side of this wall.
But how will we get through it?
This part of the wall looks like a door.
I can use my shovel to pry it open.
Oh, is that really you, Ryder?
Yes, hold on. We're almost there.
Yes, we are saved!
That should do it.
All right, everybody, push. Yes, we're in.
We're saved! So happy to see you!
Shh! That's the scary sound? Big Hairy?
More like big noisy.
He fell in through the roof. Then he was smashing things all over.
Let's get you out before he wakes up. We don't want to startle him.
Thanks, Paw Patrol, for a picture-perfect rescue.
You're welcome. Whenever you're trapped in an ancient temple with a giant monkey, just yell for help.
Check out full episodes of Paw Patrol on Nickelodeon.